This is a 2012 Infiniti M37. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.